my next one for you, man. Your viral moment, man. I know you knew it was coming, man.
This shit was coming,
We not gonna get deep into detail about it, but for those who know, they know, man. But we can just throw a couple stuff that happened out there, man. The air conditioner, man. I guess they know you as the air conditioner, man.
I was pushing that motherfucker in.
You wanted them clothes, huh?
I wanted my shit. You hear me? On my kids, man. Ladies, man, you out there listening, man. Don't keep folks shit hostage, man. Get folks this shit, man.
My man.
Sometimes, oh shit, is all we got. Motherfucker go through hell and back for that shit, especially if you spit that paper on it. Oh my
That's what's up, man.
But yeah, man, that little moment, man. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna get into all that. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna say, man, shit happens. You know what I'm saying? Shit happens to the best of us, to the realest ones. And, well, I mean, like.
What's the? Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Go ahead. No,
I want to hear what you gonna say.
No, go ahead.
I was gonna say, what's the catchphrase? What's the catchphrase? Is
shit happens.
Shit happens. Oh, you said it. Okay, shit happens. Okay.
Yeah, shit happens. Hey, y'all.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? You live a regular, real life. You know, shit happens. Man. You feel me?
That's what's up.
That's just what comes with this shit sometimes. You feel me? Like, motherfucker ain't asked for it. Motherfucker ain't do it on purpose. You know what I'm saying? But
I think overall, man, it kind of.
And it's crazy because, like, motherfucker try to bash my name, and overall, it backfired. You feel me? Like, not because you say, like, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
What was going on, it was cool and shit like that. Like, you know what I'm saying?
But that goes to show.
Ashamed of the fact what was, you know what I'm saying, happened. But it goes to show that more people out there really, really read between lines. Like, you would think people just see some shit on social media and be like, oh, that's what it is. That's what it must be. Nah, because, like, the people who really know me knew, like, that shit ain't go down like that. You feel me? After a while, that shit was, man, listen, I kept it real. I was drunk. But I kept it real with that shit. And people seen the real sincerity and seen that shit was really foul at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? So, like,
when you woke up and seen that you was going viral, man, how did that make you feel?
I actually went viral in the middle of the day.
Shit. So you was like in middle of work.
Yeah, I was in the middle of the barbershop cutting. Busy ass day. Like, and my shit dinging. Ding.
Everybody tagging you? Or
no, like, the video got posted in the whole Milwaukee. You feel me? Like, out the gate. So, you know, the whole Milwaukee, they serious. But my shit got the dinging so crazy because after like 60 seconds, the motherfucker tried to delete the video after they posted it.
But everybody done.
Motherfucker really posted it on a scare tactic type shit. You feel me? Like, do what I say or else I'm posting this video. You know what I mean? That. It's gonna ruin you. Yada, yada. So, like, she thought she was scary, but she realized what she did and deleted it. But the whole Milwaukee being the whole Milwaukee, motherfucker, I don't even know the screen recording was out. But the motherfucker got that motherfucker. Oh, motherfucker, posted that shit again. Where you at with this?
Man, I'm talking about you was viral.
5 seconds.
I'm talking about millions.
Millions of views. 5 seconds, dude. I'm like, never. What?
I'm talking about TikTok. You had people making parodies of you. I'm talking about you had people making copies, videos of you, bro.
Cause, like, it's crazy because, like, if you know me and you watch the video,
they really, like, embraced it that it was funny. They said, fuck the bullshit.
Motherfucker really thought it was a skit.
There you go.
So many people like Bar funny as a bitch.
There you go.
Gotta be a skit. He out the window, shirt on, glasses, swing.
I thought it was a skit. I'm like, I can't be
I didn't even remember this shit. Like, wait, this ain't happening. This the fucking did.
Overall, I feel like you still handled that so well, bro. I didn't see you blow up. I didn't see you snap. I ain't see you make no rant video. I ain't see you make no post. Bro, you said it is what it is. Because shit happens.
Sometimes shit is out your reach. So that shit happens to the best of people. We human at the end of the day. You feel me? Like, and that's it. Like, motherfucker are trying to bash you over nothing. Like, say if it was a woman, been good her whole relationship, stepped out on her man one time, caught something, brought it back to the relationship without knowing. You feel me? That makes her a bad woman?
No, it don't.
But most men can't forgive a woman for that. Most people can't forgive a person for that. But then it happens to so many relationships out there.
It do. It's
especially deep. With the rate being higher and higher. So nowadays, being 2020 or 2022, you know what I'm saying, this new millennium, more people's mind is open, so more people actually able to understand, like, that don't make him a bad person, you feel me? And that's what a motherfucker was trying to portray, that I was just a terrible person.
And I think that's why I didn't work. It kind of just worked out in your favor.
People who know me know, like,
exactly.
That man not like that, you feel me? Like, that was really an accident, like, you know what I'm saying?
And like you said, it happened to the best of the people, bro, and you are one of the best.
So, like, yeah, like, the shit was crazy, you know, I ain't gonna lie, like, I actually, was ashamed for, like, an hour. Oh, mama, I was salty as a bitch for, like, an hour.
I know that feeling. You gotta be, because it's
nigga, this really made me, my dumb ass go read the comments.
Why you do that?
You never listen, I'm feeling like this, but you go fucking battle for some anything remotely so-called bad, don't read the comments. So my woman, boy, cause you gonna be boiling. My woman, nigga, I'm reading comments, and it's everybody who don't know me.
There you go.
It's there you go. From Ohio,
there you go.
Massachusetts, motherfucking Alaska and shit. Oh my God, it's even motherfucking Arabs and shit from overseas on that motherfucker. I'm pissed. You bitch ass. Oh, I wish I could talk to some shit. All type of shit. Boy, I wanna go wild. I wanna do everything. I wanna go whip her ass. All type of shit. But you know what I'm saying? Like,
man,
me being me,
feeling, bro.
I had to shake that shit off. I was like, man, fuck it.
I'm sorry to cut you off. Do you remember me going viral for that fight?
Yeah, I remember your shit.
I know that feeling. So I know your feeling, bro. I know your feeling, bro. I know that feeling, dog.
Man, dog. I said, man, fuck that shit. I'm going out. Well, I went out that night.
That's what's up.
You know what I'm saying? When I went out, motherfuckers was walking up to me laughing. Like, you know what I'm saying? You had your few of the ladies, because, you know what I'm saying, I'm a ladies man, or however you want to put it, you know what I'm saying? They love me and shit. But you had a few of the ladies like, But everybody else was like, fuck, you funny as a bitch. You kept that shit P.
And that's all I kept seeing, bro. You kept it
so
real.
Many people walk up to me, hey, folks, you real. Ladies, like, you one of the realest niggas out.
I think I went out with you one of the nights.
Man, listen, and I had a great time. I had a great time that night, man. We ain't gonna lie. Shout out to my city, man.
Shout out to the city.
Fucking with me. I ain't gonna lie. Keep fucking with me.